Hello everyone. So today we will learn the what is the data type in a PHP. So let's start. And actually, data type is means like we're having the different types of writing skills or writing styles like string, integer, like that type. Like some wording, some numbers, like that way we can type similar in a PHP. So next, data types having string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null, resource. This is the multiple types of data types having the PHP. So we can check one by one. Like first one is string. String. A string is a sequence of characters like hello world. So this is a sequence like hello world and we are typing here. A string can be any text inside quotes. You can use single or double quotes. Yeah, we can type the single or double quotes while writing the string. So we can take here one example like x is equals to hello world with the double quote and y is equals to hello world. This is also in a single quote only. So both are same. We can check this one also. We used here echo $x break for the break the line and go to the next for the printing purpose, and we used here $x. Okay, so we can check here the output will be the hello world and hello world. It means both output is same if we are using double quote either single quote, but output come in a similar format. So next, integer. Integer must have at least one digit. At least one digit means minimum 1, 2, 3 or single digit, like that way. Integer must not have a decimal point. We can't use the decimal point or point like that. 5.6, 10.2 we can't use. This is not considered as an integer. So integer can be either positive or negative. So yeah, in this case we can type a minus 10, but we can't type minus 10 point something like 2. We can't. But minus 10 it's fine. And positive we can type 10 only. That's all. So example is like here x is equal to 5985. We used here var_dum. Why we are using here var_dum? Because of the we need to check the data type. So output is showing here int means integer and 5985 they are giving us. So this is called as integer data type. Next, float. A float is a number with a decimal point or a number in exponential form. So we can use here decimal point or point like 10.23 something, but we can't use only 10. Okay, if we use only 10, it means it is a integer, not a decimal. So var_dum we used here and $x. So float 10.365. So this is called as a float value. Next, boolean. Boolean represents two possible states like true or false. That's all. We didn't pass anything. We can't pass string, we can't pass integer, we can't pass float. Only true and false. This is a boolean. So most of the time while using the if else condition, that time we use the boolean methods. So here we type x is equal to true, y is equal to false, var_dum x, var_dum y. Output will be the boolean true, boolean false. So this is called as boolean. Next, array. An array store multiple values in a single variable. So only one variable, that single, we can store the multiple values like 5 times string, 10 times integer, whatever it is we want, we can store. We can store mix also, we can store only string, we can store only integer also. So this is the example here. Suppose we are having the car, but multiple car we having, that time we can use the array like Volvo, BMW and Toyota. So we did here like var down for the printing purpose car, and output will be the array 3. Why array 3? Because of 1, 2, 3. We are having 3 cars. That's why. And one more thing is here, like array work like key and values. We can check this deeply in a while doing the arrays. So array always start with the 0 key. So here is the 0 and Volvo string they are giving us, and 5 why VOLVO, that's why they are telling it is 5 characters. Like that way BMW 3, Toyota 6, like this. So next, null. Null is a special data type which can have only one value, null, with the capital null. So why we are using null? Because of sometimes we need to pass some null values in a table or database tables. That's why we are using the null. Or multiple examples also having, like x is equals to hello world. After that x is equals to null. We can put here and overwrite that values. Like we type here var down x. So output will be the null only. So this is the way to print the null. Next, let's start the coding. So we can start with the string. So we are having here name, like dollar name is equals to hello Ram. So simple. And we can type here like echo dollar name. That's all. So simple. We can save and we can run this in our Chrome browser and refresh. Yeah, hello Ram is showing us. So we can type here like var dump for the checking purpose to exactly what they are giving us, string or integer, something like that. Yeah, it is a string with the 9. So this is the way to check the output. Yeah, hello Ram. So I think so it's little bit clear for you. So string is 9 and hello Ram is showing us. So similar way we can check with the integers. So I will take here num, or I will type here like 10 simply, and num, and we can check, refresh. Yeah, int 10. But one scene is here, like we can't use like this double inverted comma. If we are using, then what is the output? It is a string. So we can check here. Yeah, it is a string because we type in this one in a double quote. That's why whatever it is in a double quote, it will be the string. That's the reason. So we can check the float value also. So like we are having 10.23 simply now, and we can check this one. So yeah, float, this will be showing us float, and 10 after that it will be showing the multiple values. So depends upon the numbers. So this is a 10.23. Okay, so we can check now the boolean value. So we type here bool simply, and we can type here bool also. Yeah, and we can check here like true. What happened? We can refresh. It is just showing us boolean true. We type here like false, then output will be the false but boolean. Okay, data type is boolean. So next we can check the array. So we can type here like array, and we can give here like 1, 2 and 3 simply, and we can check here what is the output of this array. So check, yeah, this is the output. Like 3 is there in a strings, like 1 is 1, string is 3, here also 2, string is 3, here string is 5 for the 3. So this is the way to write down the array. So we can check. Next one is null. So we can give here like name again is equals to home. So and we can give again name is equals to null simply, and check here name, and we came to the browser and refresh it, it's showing is null. So this is the way to write down the null. In a future videos we can check the multiple arrays, like they're having the 3 types of arrays, so we can check that one. If you have any query, any doubt, please mention in a comment or subscribe this channel and like. So enjoy the PHP series. Thank you so much.